In problem 10D, we want to know if non-negative numbers is a field. So we're going to go ahead and look through our 11 field axioms and figure it out. With closure, remember that you really want all parts to contain the non-negative. So if we go ahead and look at addition, let's go ahead and pick two non-negative numbers, 5 plus 8, 13. We're good to go, and you're always going to get a non-negative number in the end. With multiplication, same thing. I'll pick the same numbers. You're always going to get that. All right, so it is officially closed. Commutative, moving on. We have our addition and multiplication. Now with commutative, you really care about, is it equal? So is 5 plus 8 equivalent to 8 plus 5? Yes, it is. With multiplication, is 5 times 8 equivalent to 8 times 5? Yes, it is. All right, moving on. Associative. Again, you're really looking at, are they equivalent? So we have 2 plus the quantity, 5 plus 3. Is that equivalent to? Remember, the only thing that changes is the grouping. Are those equal? Yes, they are. Same thing with multiplication. 2 times the quantity, 5 times 3. Is that equivalent to the quantity 2 times 5 times 3? Yes, it is. With identity, you care about the element. So if we are looking at the additive identity, you have your number plus something. Now, with identity, you always bring it back to yourself, the 2. Multiplication, we could pick a different number besides 2. We have, say, 3 times something equals 3. All right, so let's go back in and let's choose our elements here. Well, 2 plus what is 2? 0. Ask yourself, is 0 a non-negative number? Yes, it is. Down here, we have 3 times 1 is 3. Ask yourself, is 1 a non-negative number? Yes, it is. So we're good to go. All right, moving on. For inverse, again, you really care about the element. So when we look at addition, let's have 5 plus something equals inverse is going to undo, so that's 0. When we look at multiplication, we have, let's say, 7 times something is 1. Remember, these are always the what you want in the end when you're talking about the inverse element. So here we have a negative 5 inside. So ask yourself with this one, is negative 5 a non-negative number? No. So that one does not work. So automatically we know it's not a field, but let's keep on going. 7 times what is 1? Well, 1/7. 1/7. Ask yourself, is that a non-negative number? Yep, we're good to go. And then finally for distributive, is 2 times the quantity 5 plus 7, is that the same as 2 times 5 plus 2 times 7? Yes, it is. So in the end, we have no, it is not a field because there is no additive inverse. Circle it and you're done.